Hey guys, so today I am going to be filming a full face of makeup using only makeup. Wow, that's a good one. Using only Christmas makeup gift sets. It's kind of like a similar idea to my advent calendar one, but instead we're going to be using Christmas gift sets. And I've bought like a selection from some different brands and I am gonna unbox them and then try and do my makeup using whatever comes out of them. Oh, before you start watching this, before you start watching this video, go and read my description box if you want to take part in next week. Yeah, I think next week's video. So I bought a few different makeup gift sets and they all cost me, do you know what? I don't think they were cheap actually. I think they were £25 each. I'm going to start with this one. It's the Sleek Makeup, the Ultimate Collection, and looks like there's quite a few things in there, so I'm just going to unbox this. Let's see what we get. Okay, I've stripped it. I mean, the packaging is quite nice. It's got this nice patterny thing on it. It's quite pretty, but it's nothing interesting. Like, it's nothing exciting. How the f do you get them out? So we've got the Eye Define Mineral Based Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Vintage Romance. Okay, so it's just like a little shimmer palette. You've got quite a few colours there. I mean, none of them are really making me think like, oh yes. But, they look all right. I mean, maybe that gold shimmer might be quite nice. So yeah, that is the first thing you get. Don't know why I'm putting it back. So the next thing is the Dip It eyeliner in the shade Black, a mascara. This is their full fat lash mascara. All right then, so does that mean it's got a fat wand? Oh no, oh wow. Starts off skinny, fat on the tip. Oh my goodness. Lip VIP lipstick in the shade Show Off. Ooh, I do actually like that colour. Smells pretty good as well. It's just like a nudie brown colour, but I really like the look of that. So this is the Oh La La lip liner in the shade Dragon Fruit, but it's kind of like a pinky reddy colour, so it wouldn't really go with the lipstick. And then, maybe it goes with this. One of their Mapme Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Creams in the shade That's So Fetch. There is a bright pink in there. Oh gosh, I just don't know why I lob everything. I'm not very careful, am I? I'm just lobbing it on the floor. The Mapme Metallic Lip Cream in the shade Anodized Ruby, I think. It's a very like metallic-y lip colour. Again, not the sort of thing I'd wear, but yeah, you know, you get a good selection of different lip colours. I threw it again, didn't I? Stop throwing things. Oh, it's the highlighting palette in Solstice. I've actually already got this and it is such a good highlighter. Oh, it's stuck. This highlighter is so good. I mean, I've never used the creamy ones because I don't really like creams, but the powders are really, really good. So the next one I got is the Soap and Glory Glitz and Makeup gift set. So it looks like this. Let's get... Oh, that one came off nice, didn't it? Like slipped off. Maybe a little bit more exciting than the last one, but it's still pretty basic. It just opens up. Oh, actually that is quite cute. So it opens, ow. So we've got the lid stuff. Sounds like the sort of thing I'd call it. If I can't think of what it's called, I'd be like the eyelid stuff. Maybe they named it, of course they didn't name it after me. Who do you think you are? But yeah, you've got a few different shades in there. You've got a mixture of mattes and shimmers. We've got the Love at First blush, Pink Pop and Pearl. I don't think I've ever tried this, but I feel like this could be quite nice. It's like a nice shimmery blush, I imagine. So excited to give that a go. We've got the Archery 2-in-1 Sculpting and Setting Brow Pen. So it's on like a little triangle, and then on the other side we've got, what? Oh, I was not expecting that. So on the other side you've got a little setting swipey thing. So that's pretty cool. So you've got two things in one. This is in the shade Brown and Out. So I think this is like the middle shade. Hopefully it will match me. But yeah. I thought I just broke it. Don't know why it does that, but anyway, moving on, we've got the Super Cat liner. Yeah, we've got the Super Cat liquid black eyeliner. So we've got another eyeliner. Does that mean I've got to do liner in this video? I guess it does. That's gonna be fun. You also get a Oh, wasn't expecting that. Crazy Sexy Kohl limited edition twist up eyeliner. We've got the Thick and Fast High Definition Collagen Coat Mascara. Oh, I've tried this before actually. I used to really like this mascara. And then we've got a Spectaculips Metallic Lip Cream in the shade Gold Dusk. So it's like a oh my god. Kind of light pinky metallic lip colour. And then finally we've got a Sexy Mother Pucker lip gloss in the shade Candy Queen. Again, I don't really use lip gloss, so this isn't my kind of thing, but ooh, that one smells a little bit odd actually, not gonna lie. Now this is cute. I mean, look at this packaging. It looks like a little cake. I thought this one was presented really well. This is a Benefit Goody Goody Gorgeous. Some of the names are just a little bit cringe, aren't they? I'm just like, oh. Okay, the top layer of the cake don't come off. Thought it was gonna. I thought like each layer was gonna come off, but actually, oh my goodness. So what have we got? We've got three things. We've got the Benefit The Professional Pearl Primer, yeah, like a mini pink primer, their real mascara. So I actually used to love this. I haven't used it in so long. And finally a Hoola bronzer, which again is a pretty decent bronzer. We can't get him out actually. Oh, there we go. That is pretty good. Everything in this video is full size apart from this. I don't think I've been ripped off. I feel like we've done all right. I guess I now need to do my makeup with everything. So I feel like we've got a good selection of things. I should be able to do a full face apart from foundation and concealer, because obviously I kind of knew I wasn't going to get those in there. Apart from that, I feel like we can do this. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to be trying is the Benefit The Professional Pearl Primer, and this is like a pink pearly primer thing. I don't think I've ever tried this before, even though I'm pretty sure I do have a full-sized one. I don't think I've ever tried it, because as you guys know, I don't use primers, because I'm a lazy bitch. But today, I'm going to be trying a primer, so, oh, feels quite nice. Oh my goodness, it's really soft. Anyway, I'm just going to like dot that kind of in this area. I think that's where you put primer, or do you put it everywhere? I tell you, that is the softest fingertips I've ever had, so far I'm quite liking it. It's making me all slippery though. I'm going to be dropping things even more than normal. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna like rub it in a little bit over my face. I mean, it's made my skin feel really smooth, so far I do quite like it. I don't know if it's really done anything apart from that. I mean, what else is it meant to do? Anyway, I'm now going to go and do my foundation and my concealer off camera, because obviously I didn't get any in these gift sets, so I'll be back in a sec and then we'll try out some more products. So my foundation is now on and I am looking so unbelievably pale, but not in real life. Like in real life, I don't look that pale, but in that camera, bloody hell, I am looking so pale, but I'll fix that later. Right now, I'm gonna do my eyebrows, I think. So what did we get? So we've got the Soap & Glory Archery brow pen, and I don't know how I feel about this triangle. It looks a little bit weird, but I'm gonna give it a go. I just didn't really get on with the triangle. I didn't think I would, and I didn't, but I've kind of done as best I can. I don't know if they look any good. They're a bit messy, but it wasn't too bad, just not my favorite. I'm now gonna try the setting gel that you get on the other end. I think that's really handy to have those both in the same place. So I'm just gonna set them down with the gel. I feel like that worked quite well. It's definitely neatened them and just kind of like set them into place. It was just like a simple clear brow gel, so it definitely did the job, and I now have some eyebrows and I don't think they look too bad actually. I think they look all right. I think I'm going to do the rest of my face next, and then I'm going to move on to my eyes at the end. So I am going to take my Benefit Hoola bronzer and I'm going to dust that all over my face because oh my goodness, I need it right now. I need it more than ever. Isn't that a song? And I need you more than ever. Yeah. I feel like it is a really good bronzer, but it's definitely really warm toned and it doesn't really work that well as a contour, which is what I've done with it. Now I'm going to move on to blush, and I'm going to use the Soap & Glory Love at First blush. It actually looks really nice. It's like a mixture of different pinky shades, and I'm just going to swirl it all together. Oh, bloody hell. Kind of all gone everywhere. I've just swirled it all together and I'm just going to dust a little bit on my cheeks. That is like a really shimmery blush, which as we know, I like a bit of that. Bloody hell, that is really highlighty. I've possibly put a little bit too much on. Just a tad too much, I mean, whoa. Okay, so for highlighter, we've got this guy here, and I am just gonna take, okay, off you go. Not gonna lie, didn't really want you anyway. You do get a little brush in there. My nose is tickling again. You do get a little brush in there, but I mean, what is this? I'm just gonna take a mixture of both of the powders, but I'm gonna leave the creams alone because as we know, don't like my creams. So yeah, see how this goes. I have tried this before and I'm pretty sure it's really good. So I have high hopes. I mean, I'd say it's working pretty damn well. Look at that highlight. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. I love it. Oh my goodness, it moves. What? It moves. Why does it do that? Probably because I've put way too much on, but never mind. So yeah, this is my highlighter done. The combination of that blush and that highlighter has created a very shimmery look. Like my cheeks are so shimmery right now, but I'm kind of loving it. So I'm now going to move on to eyeshadow. Oh, I'm holding him actually. I'm holding the eyeshadow. So we've got the, oh goodness, thank God for cellophane. I would have just stabbed like a load of them all in one. Yeah, this is the Eye Define eyeshadow palette. And then we've also got, yeah, this one's by Sleek. And then we've also got the Soap and Glory lid stuff. So I don't know what one I'm gonna go for. I'm gonna start with these two matte shades from the Soap and Glory one because those are the only matte shades that we've got. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of those. So they seem to be working quite well, but they are very light. I honestly don't think that really shows up much at all, but I mean, that's all I've got. Those are the only matte colors I've got, so that's all I can really put through my crease. And I'm just gonna have to move straight onto a shimmer, and I've got quite a lot to choose from because we've got 4 shimmers in this palette. And then we've also got an absolute crap ton of shimmers in this palette. There is a matte in there, but I don't think that's really gonna add anything. It's kind of the same color as what I've just used. So I don't think we'll need him, but just in case you're interested, there is one matte in the Sleek one. But for shimmer, I'm gonna go for, you can't even see, this goldy color here. That is such a pretty gold shimmer colour. I feel like it looks so nice, and I used a mixture, a what? I used a mixture of a brush and my finger. I'm actually pretty happy with how it turned out, so nice one. So we got 3 eyeliners in there, which I'm not best pleased about because it means that I've got to do some eyeliner. We've got the Sleek Dip It eyeliner, the Soap and Glory Super Cat liner, and the Soap and Glory Crazy Sexy Kohl eyeliner. So I think I'm gonna try and do a winged liner, so we won't use the Kohl one. And between these two, I think I would go for the Super Cat one because I know I have used that before. So I'm gonna try and do some winged eyeliner. I did them with my eyes open, so I did it like this and I drew it on like this, as you would. When I close my eyes, it looks like this. What are they? But when I've got my eyes open, they don't look too bad. It kind of goes like a straight line. I don't know. The thing with me and eyeliner is sometimes I'll do it and it will work and I'll be so chuffed, but sometimes it just doesn't and it does this. So I tried. So for mascara, we've got the Sleek one and the Benefit one. I think I'm gonna go for the Sleek one because I've used this one before. Plus I'm very intrigued by this fancy wand because it's half skinny, half in my eyeball. So be careful when you pull that wand out because it will flick all over your face, just like it has to me. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but I've got little black specks all over my face, so ignore them. I'm gonna wait for them to dry and then hopefully I can pick them off. It also went in my eyeball, so that wasn't great, but I'm gonna try that again. It's all going downhill from here, isn't it? It's all going downhill. Right, so my lashes are done and I feel like they actually look pretty good. I ended up using a mixture of all 3 because I used the Sleek one first and it really wasn't doing anything for me. I was like, this ain't very good. So then I put a bit of the Benefit one on top, and then I realised I totally forgot about the Soap and Glory one, so I put a bit of that on top as well because I felt bad. So I ended up with all 3 of them on my lashes, and I feel like we've got some pretty decent I can't talk. Some pretty decent lashes, so it's a shame my eyeliner looks so crap because otherwise we might have had some nice eyes for once. So we've got a lot here, but this is going to be a really easy decision for me because I've got the sleek lip liner. I don't really like using lip liners. I've got the sleek Mapme Up lip creams in colours that I would never really use. I've also got the Soap and Glory Spectacular Lips thing and the Sexy Mother Pucker. Also, they're not really the sort of things I'd use. So that leaves us with the Mapme, oh no it's not. That leaves us with the Lip VIP Semi-Matte Lipstick in the shade Show Off, and that is the one that I'm going to be using because I feel like that is definitely my sort of colour. It looks very nice, but the rest of you don't really want you, so I'm going to find another home for these guys. I mean, it definitely applied really nicely. It's nice and creamy. I wouldn't say it's matte at all. I know it said semi-matte, but I feel like it's not matte at all. It's really like, I don't know what the word is, but it's really not very matte. But it is a really nice colour. It's just a really nice brownie colour. And that is my makeup that I got on my teeth. And that is my full face of makeup using only Christmas gift sets. And I feel like it's actually turned out pretty decent. Apart from that bloody eyeliner, I feel like it was quite a success and everything worked quite well. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to read the description box if you want to potentially be in next week's video and get a little shout out. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Goodbye.